Good morning, children. Today is Friday and the last day of the week. Till date, in literacy, we have learned three-letter words of all vowel A, E, I, O, U. सारे थ्री लेटर वर्ड्स के वावल सीखे हैं. मैम ने आपको बताया हाउ टू रीड. यू हैव टू मेक द फर्स्ट कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड and the last two sounds already we have made. For example, if it is written BAT, we know A says A, T says T. So last two letter sounds is at. So we have to make the first consonant sound B at bat. Similarly, N hen. Then B in bin, K up cop, H at hut. सारे लेटर्स, सारे थ्री लेटर वर्ड्स मैम हैज़ आस्क यू टू रीड इन दिस वे. Why ma'am has asked? Today we will do some practice work in our literacy skill sheet book. Then you will realize why ma'am has asked. Now everyone open the page number 60. See. Let me take my brush, then I will start reading. Add A at the letters B, C, P, R, S, M. See, B, C, P, then R, S, M to make new word. And in between it is at written. Right? One has done for you. Yes. See, when I join B at, B at, it become bat. It is given in dotted line. You have to trace it. Now go to the next letter. What is this? S. So when I join S and at, sat. So you have to write sat here. When I join P and at, what is the sound of P? P. P at pat. Now C and at. What is the sound of C? K. K at cat. What is the sound of R? R. R at rat. R at rat. Similarly, what is the sound of M? M at mat. M at mat. See, children, we have read our book in this way. That's why it has become, it will now, when you will start writing now, it will be very easy for you. See, ma'am has written, first ma'am has written this part. B, what I did, I took my pencil and I joined B to at. B at, I have written bat. It is given there, so I trace. Now S at, see, I have used my pencil to join S at sat. P at pat. Similarly, I have done this right hand side portion also. K at cat, R at rat, M at mat. So how we will do? You will take your pencil. First you will trace bat, and before tracing bat you will join, take your pencil, join B with at, and while joining you will say the sound of B. B at bat. B at bat. Now we will go to S. S at, join with your pencil. S at sat. S at sat. So this way you will say and write. Okay, children. Now we will go to the next E letter. Add it. It. What is the sound of E? It. It. Okay. It letter. With N, L, J, S, P, M. Here I have done this portion. You have to write word in this. I will tell you the words, but I have not written. So everyone say with me. What is the sound of N? Et, net. It is given, so just trace. Et, net. L, et, let. L, et, let. J, et, jet. J at jet. That's I'm telling you. Take your pencil, join with the it and say the sound and word, then word. So it will help you to remember the word. And here I have not written SPM. We will practice orally, but I will not write, you will write. Okay, what is the sound of S? Et, set. What is the sound of P? P, et, pet. What is the sound of M? At, met. So this word you will write. Now go to the next page. That is the page number 61. Here what are given? 1 minute. Eat, op, at. And all alphabets are given. Similarly we have to do. So turn the page. Here also children, I have done only one column, right hand side column. You will do this one. Okay. So we will, but left hand side column we will practice verbally. So what is the first letter? B, it, bit. See, it is given, you have to trace. K, it, kit, write kit here. H, it, hit, write hit here. L, it, lit. F, it, fit. P, it, pit. Okay. Now go to the next page. Why I am, you will think ma'am आप आधा क्यों लिख रहे हो? Because you also need to practice ना. You will learn and you will write. If ma'am will do everything, then how we will learn? Here it is op. I have done left hand side, you have to do right hand side. Up, hop. So hop is given, you have to trace. Up, mop. Cup, up, cup. Now here I have not written, but we will practice. T, up, top. P, up, pop. S, up, sup. Now children, I hope you have understand what we have to do. Now come to the at words. At words, there is a twist in the at words. At, I said at, right? Because U says a, T says ta, at. Okay. Let's start. Then I will explain what is the twist. What is the first alphabet? B, at, but. Here this column you will fill, and right hand side I have done already. Okay. B, at, but is given in trace. You have to trace. G, at, gut. Right? K, at, cut. H, at, hut. At, nut. अभी आप बोलोगे मैम आपने पी मिस कर गई. पी अट नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे यू का साउंड है यू. सो यू टी उट, प उट, पुट. अंडरस्टैंड? बिकॉज मैंने आपको बताया था एक बार सारे वावल्स ने बोला कि हमें तो एक साउंड से एक ज़्यादा वर्ड नहीं बना सकते, सो वी नीड मोर साउंड्स. सो हर एक वावल का दो दो साउंड्स है. जैसे यू का वावल साउंड, फोनिक साउंड क्या है? आ. कभी कभी यू को यू भी प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, जैसे यूनिकॉर्न, यूनिसाइकिल, यूनिवर्सिटी, यूटेंसिल्स. मैंने आपको बताया था जब मैं वावल यू पढ़ा रही थी. सिमिलरली हियर व्हेन वावल consonant P join with UT, it's put. So P, ut, put. Okay children, it's not P, at, put. It's P, ut, put. This is the twist. Here P is different. P, ut, put. Remember, कभी भी, इसीलिए हमें न्यू वर्ड सीखनी चाहिए. जैसे हम न्यू वर्ड सीखेंगे हमें पता चलेगा वेयर सम एक्सेप्शन है, ट्विस्ट कहाँ पे है. अभी तक तो हम आराम से जो प्रॉपर वावल के साउंड है ए ई ओ आ किया. एक वर्ड ऐसे है जिसमें यू का साउंड यू है. सो प, उट, पुट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ start your work. Along with that, today we will learn how to write cursive uppercase C. So for that, I need my third book of handwriting. You all open page number 14, you will see this page. Now, I will share a video in this video where you will see how to write C. Now, I have to turn my pages and have to get the video. This is the video. Look. First, you have to trace. From where you have to start. Just see. From where we have to start. We have to start from this point. See, when ma'am is writing, ma'am is starting from the second blue line, right? Ma'am is starting from the second blue line. Just see how ma'am is tracing. You have to put here, okay? Now see how ma'am is tracing. Ma'am is not lifting her pencil unless she has completed her C. This uppercase cursive C. C for cat, C for camel. Now see how ma'am is writing. Ma'am has written one line for you. That first two lines you have to trace, then remaining line you have to write by yourself. Just see how ma'am is writing. Ma'am has started from second blue line and she went till first red line, then again she come back and write a C, and until unless C is finished, she is not lifting a pencil. So children, before starting your cursive writing book, just see this, watch this video, and if you want, you just keep it on so while you are writing, you can see how ma'am was writing. Okay children, till then, take care. Goodbye.